Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do med ball step throughs. For med ball step throughs, you want to get into almost like a plank-like position where your shoulders are over your wrists. So you don't want to end up here or end up here. Get those shoulders right over your wrist. Keeping your body flat, step one leg up as high as you can, bring it back, and then move the other. Now there's a quick tutorial for our med ball step throughs. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Med ball step throughs, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.